Every morning, I begin my day by caring for my garden aviary, tending to the budgies, and ensuring their water is fresh. Also, I water the millet I've planted in the aviary. Having a double door on the aviary is crucial for the safety of the birds. My millet is nearly ready for harvest. Good morning, everyone. With a large number of budgies, the aviary tends to get dirty pretty quickly. Fortunately, I have linoleum flooring to easily manage the dirt. Nearly every week or every other week, I find myself doing a complete cleaning of the aviary. It's not that I don't enjoy it, it's simply essential to maintain a healthy and clean environment for my budgies. Did you know that a healthy adult budgie can have anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 feathers? These colorful little birds go through molting periods, shedding old and damaged feathers to make way for new ones. Cleaning the flooring with water and natural soap is a safe and effective method to maintain cleanliness in the aviary. Because budgies are prone to respiratory issues, maintaining a clean environment with excellent air quality is absolutely essential for their health. Budgies, like all birds, produce dander as part of their natural physiology. Dander consists of tiny, often microscopic, skin particles and feather dust. Excessive exposure to feather dust can potentially cause respiratory irritation or allergies, especially in individuals with sensitivities or allergies to dust or feathers. To give the aviary floor that final touch of cleanliness, I mop it, and sometimes I simply use a mixture of vinegar and water and spray over it. And voila! Every morning I start by emptying the food and water dishes, and this is also the time when I give them a good cleaning. Bacteria can quickly multiply in a budgie's water dish, especially when it's exposed to sunlight, creating ideal conditions for bacterial growth. This is why it's crucial to change the water daily for budgies. It's interesting to see how my budgies really enjoy soaking up the morning sun and then again in the evening, while they like to stay inside during the day. Treating them in the morning is an essential part of their daily routine. Fresh water must always be accessible, especially within the aviary. Now they really enjoy the open part of the aviary, and the cats are no longer a problem. Liquid supplements offer important vitamins, minerals, or other nutrients that might be missing from your budgie's everyday seed food. Whenever I clean the toys, I also rearrange their placement, because budgies can get bored with the same setup. I'm a little concerned that I may have spoiled them. I provide my budgies with a variety of seeds in their food. They're definitely enjoying a 5-star treatment. I treat them to special snacks only once a week, like giving candies to little ones. And during the summer, a fountain bath is a must for them. Next day, let's whip up a healthy recipe featuring beets and carrots. Also, on that day, there's no need to provide them with liquid supplements since they're already getting their vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. Carrots and beets can be offered to budgies as occasional treats due to their sugar content. Both carrots and beets provide various vitamins and minerals. Beets contain folate, which is essential for cell division and can contribute to overall health. Carrots are particularly rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for budgies' eye health and overall well-being. I include dried eggs rich in omega oils in their diet. Omega acids are essential for maintaining healthy feathers and skin in budgies, and also can help support the immune system. Good night, budgies. Thank you, members, for your amazing support. I would be grateful if you could spare a moment to check out my previous budgie video and consider subscribing.